There's a big update concerning this Timefarm airdrop. This update is something they just put up that is going to benefit their users even before the airdrop happens. Now guys, before I head on to show you what the update is about that I noticed recently, let me head on to their information page first to show you what they posted. So guys, this is their official Telegram handle with over 10 million subscribers. Now this is the update I saw that is related to me. It said, got all your seconds burned during the holiday break? No worries, you can start fresh and earn even more. Stack your seconds to prevent burns. Set a reminder to log in regularly. Complete quests and play Oracle of Time for extra reward. Keep your seconds safe and growing on Timefarm. Guys, this one has to do with me as well because all my coins, all my seconds got burned. Now when you open up your Timefarm, the dashboard looks like this. Now when you click on tax down here, now what I want to show you, there are so many tasks here that can be completed and my coins increased, which I'm going to check them out later on. But the one I wanted to show you guys is this one up here. I want my tax here. Create your own tax. Guys, this is a very good feature that was added to Timefarm. If you want to post your tax here, let's say you want so many followers on Twitter, you want followers on Instagram, you want people to visit your YouTube page, whatever platform it is, you can post it up here and let people do the tax while they earn coin. Just like this tax you're seeing down here, watch video and earn. This is probably somebody's tax that he posted up for people to engage in. If you can see, you see others for Telegram, others for Twitter, and the rest of others. This other one for YouTube, watch YouTube videos. Guys, this is what they are giving you the opportunity to do also if you want to do it. Now if you click on create your own tax, it will bring you to this page. It's asking me to go and subscribe to their Telegram channel, which is something I've already done. Now I say introducing Timefarm Partners Program. Select the number of impressions or click you need. Create your tax. Pay with seconds. Guys, this is so nice to hear. Now I said 27 million Timefarm users, 5 million daily active users. That is a huge number. Imagine driving half of this number to your page. Now this one say pay with seconds or USDT. Of course, people will choose to pay with their Timefarm seconds. Now this one say geo-targeting. Target your tax by location in over 150 countries. Coming soon. Now I'll click on publish my own tax if I want to publish a tax. Now for step 1, it says customize your tax. Demo review. This is what it will look like if you publish it out there. Now it said describe your tax. This column here, this is where you're going to type what your tax is all about. Do you want followers on Telegram? Do you want followers on Instagram? Where do you want people to follow you? What tax do you want to put up? You're going to type the description of your tax up there. Now enter link is the next column. You can copy the link of your platform. Now they say available platforms Telegram. You can copy the link of your Telegram channel and put up here if you want followers on Telegram. Now they say geo-targeting. This is where you choose the language. What type of people do you want in your page? Is it English? Is it Vietnam, Indonesia? Or you want to put all? You just click on all and that one is done. Now they say contact this. Now this other place, they say describe your project. This is where you give a detailed description of what your project is about, what the users will stand to gain and all of that. So after you've done doing that, you just click on continue and it will take you to the next page. So guys, I don't think I'm really going to try this out because I don't have enough coins yet. So if I manage and get enough seconds on my Timefarm, I can come back here to see if I can try this out. How many Timefarm seconds they will request for a certain number of followers, a certain number of subscribers, a certain number of people completing your tax. I'm going to try it out when I've accumulated enough Timefarm seconds. So guys, what do you think about this update? Feel free to drop your opinions in the comment section below. Finally, people can get to use their Timefarm seconds to do something very important important without having to wait till the airdrop date. Waiting till the airdrop date and you now find out that you've been mining dust. How about you put the seconds to use right here before the airdrop date? Now guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video.